Student, this is the chapter number 2 MS Access queries, forms and report. In previous topic I was explained what is the query criteria and how to use the query criteria. Today our topic is calculated field. In this topic you will learn what is the calculated field and how we use this calculated field in the query. So let's start. Calculated field, we can easily create a calculated field in Access queries. A calculated field is a field that gets information from the calculation performed on other field. We can build calculated field in the query screen by using the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operation. It can also calculated value entered by hand. The field data only appear for the duration of the query. It is not actually stored in the database table. To create a calculated field in the Access query, open the query into which to insert the calculated field in design view. Here I have taken an example through which I will tell you how we will find out the total price of product. Here we taken a two table. The first is a product table and the second is a order table. In both the table, the one field is similar, that is the product ID. So first you go to the create button and choose the design view and click on query design view. When you click on the query design view, the show table will appear. You have to choose the product table and order table both one by one. Add the product table and order table in your query design window. That is the product table and that is the order table. In the field name, choose the product name from the product table, drag and drop it in this field. Quantity, choose from order table, drag it and drop it here. And price field, choose, drag it and drop it into field name. I have already written here total, but on this empty field we will calculate the total price, so you have to leave it empty. So first, and you have to click on the show button, because all these three field will show on your table if you click on the show button. And if the check mark will not show, that means that particular field will not show in your table. So you have to appear a check mark on the show table. After that, in this empty area you have to write total colon quantity into price. This is the formula. Total with colon, open the bracket, quantity, close the bracket, into, we use the operator multiply. Open the bracket, price and close the bracket and use the check mark. And when you click on the run command, it will show the query result. This is the query result. You have product ID, company name, product name, quantity, price, and it will show the total price also. That 201 Hindustan Lever locks, quantity 2, price 6. And when we multiply quantity into price, it will show the total price is 12. Same as 502 Spon Limited handset, quantity is 4, price is 240. The total price is 240 into 4, that is 960. 312 Classmate, colored pencil, product name, quantity is 3, price is 38. When we multiply quantity into price, the answer is 114. Same as 104. Bansal product copies, product name, quantity 2, price is 80 and total price 80 into 2 is equal to 160. So through this example we learned that how to use calculated field. So your homework is, today your homework is learn what is the calculated field. In the next video I will explain what is the forms. Till then, goodbye.